Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to increase media volume while in call. Increasing the media volume during a call can be tricky as most phones prioritize call volume over media volume during an active call. So, we are here with some steps to ensure you can adjust the media volume properly. So, let's get started. Firstly, while on call, simply scroll down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Now there you can see the volume button. Simply press the volume up button. If this adjusts the call volume instead of media volume, then play a media sound simultaneously, then adjust the media volume using the volume buttons. Now the other one is check for do not disturb settings. Some phones lower or mute media during call due to DND rules. So make sure that your DND settings is toggled off. On iPhones, media and call volumes are controlled separately. Start playing media during the call and use the side buttons to adjust media volume independently. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.